And now get this, we will kick you out if you are a bad actor. We can find other affiliates and you can market other products. They can retain all the funds that are there in the account at that time. Interesting. In such cases, your pending balance will not be paid and they exercise this right without providing you any prior notice. You will also have to agree that the books and record keeping that they are maintaining is accurate and that their tracking is final. You are not allowed to disclose your earnings. So you are not allowed to purchase the Elementor through your own affiliate link. And you cannot advertise the Elementor through the pay-per-click ads. In this video, we are reviewing the affiliate program for the Elementor. But the terms and conditions they have shown on their page are quite hard. Right at the start, they said that you can join the affiliate program and then you can promote it to the people who wants to design their world-class websites. You can get 50% of the commission on every sale and you can even ask for the custom rates if you are a high volume affiliate. The Elementor affiliate program is open to anyone who has the online presence. So as a content creator, you can build an online audience which can relate to the world of web creation that includes the bloggers, YouTubers and influencers. And then you can... So why should you choose the Elementor? Because it is a fast growing product. By becoming the affiliate, you can get an early access to the updates. They have a huge library that you can use. And then you can track your growth with their built-in system, which can help you to monitor your sales, clicks and campaigns. You can view your earnings, track your performance and get paid on the same date every month. You have to apply for the Elementor affiliate program, and if your application gets accepted, you will get a unique affiliate link which you can then add into your blog articles and YouTube tutorials. So there is no upper limit that how much you can buy. Some of the affiliates are earning more than 10,000 monthly. So the cookies durations is 90 days. The minimum payout threshold is $200. To join the Elementor affiliate program, you don't need to become a user of Elementor. However, it is highly recommended that you use the Elementor. That will help you to promote it in a better way. So the payment methods are through PayPal or other payment methods which they did not specify, but they said if we agree upon onto the other methods, you can also get paid through those methods. Primarily, if you have a PayPal account, then you don't need to worry about that. So when will you get paid? Since the Elementor has a 30 days refund policy, so following the clearance of the purchase, once that time period is gone, you will be paid within 30 days. So some of the do's and don'ts that they have specified for their affiliate contractors: you can promote the Elementor on social media, you can write about the Elementor on your blogs and articles, you can make the video tutorials, you can place the logos and banners on your website, you can send your affiliate links to your email subscribers, but you are not allowed to share your affiliate link on the coupon or discount websites. Do not falsely advertise the Elementor. Don't modify the logos or banners. So you are not allowed to purchase the Elementor through your own affiliate link. You cannot offer the unofficial discounts or coupon codes. And you cannot advertise the Elementor through the pay-per-click ads. You'll be surprised to read the kind of a strong language that they have used on their affiliate page. So while talking to their affiliates, they say that it does not create any relationship between us apart from independent contractors. You are not our employee, nor we have any partnership. If we approve your participation in the program, you are an independent contractor. This means that you should pay all applicable taxes, make sure that you have a proper insurance, and do not make any statements on our behalf. And now get this, please understand that our liability to you is limited as stated in our terms of services, and that we are non-exclusive. We can find other affiliates and you can market other products. The scope of the relationship is that you are their independent contractor and you cannot share your account with others. That as an affiliate, you may not present yourself as a part of Elementor and may not create an obligation on behalf of the Elementor. So your participation is personal, so you cannot have sub-affiliates or share your affiliate fees with anyone else. So if they find that your promotional material is kind of problematic, offensive, illegal or otherwise objectionable, so they may terminate your affiliate program. So you're not allowed to infringe on any intellectual property rights or act in any deceptive practice. So talking about the promotional material and intellectual property in plain language, they have clearly explained that you need to respect their intellectual property and they give you limited permission. You cannot use their intellectual property rights with another brand name or as a bundled project. So you're only permitted to use the banners and promotional materials that they have provided you as part of their gallery. Another tough condition that I must say that they have explained here, that all the promotional materials that are showing the prices should reflect the updated price and discounts at any time. Imagine how much you need to update your content regularly if you are using their affiliate program. The company reserves the right to terminate and suspend your relationship with them as an affiliate marketer at any time. So once they terminate your affiliate program, you must stop using all the intellectual property rights. So in case your account is terminated because of the breach of any terms and conditions, they can retain all the funds that are there in the account at that time. Another way that your account gets terminated is because of the inactivity. So if your account is inactive for an extended period, the Elementor will terminate your account and will only pay you the outstanding balance if it is over a specific sum that we have already talked about, that if it is more than $200. Inactivity means that you have not earned any commission or received any visits using your referral link within 2 years, and that you have not reached the sum of $200 within 2 years. In that case, they may decide to terminate your account or reset your balance. Interesting. In such cases, your pending balance will not be paid, and they exercise this right without providing you any prior notice. They warn you not to distribute the Elementor on your own. Each affiliate will be provided with a fixed affiliate commission that they will notify in writing, and they may change this commission at any time based on their own discretion. Such changes will not be retroactive. The commission calculation method, they have explained that total revenue minus the taxes, chargebacks, cancellation, bad debt, collection costs, clearing cost, and payment made in order to collect that payment. Subtracting all these from their total revenue, then you will be paid 50% of the commission. You will also have to agree that the books and record keeping that they are maintaining is accurate and that their tracking is final. They will pay you according to their specific program. Until the payment is made, the sum specified on your account are not considered debt and shall not be paid until you reach that threshold. And if you provide a qualified lead with a refund, then we may deduct the commission from your future payments or request that you return such fees. You also agree that we may offset any sums that you may owe us from any future payments. So about the bad practices, in plain English, they explain that we will kick you out if you are a bad actor. That once you encourage a user to click the banners or use any automated means to create traffic, when you present yourself as a part of Elementor company, when you use the Elementor brand in violation to their trademark, which means that you cannot use their brand in your domain name or website name. Spamming and buying traffic is also considered as a bad practice for the Elementor affiliate programs. Paid searches and keyword advertising, offering coupon codes without their consent, using the words like deals, sale or discount in a deceptive manner. You are not allowed to disclose your earnings. We have reviewed many affiliate programs, and by far these were the most tough terms and conditions that we have seen on any affiliate program. But still, if you are staying within the limit, you can go and join the Elementor affiliate program. Our objective was not to discourage you to join the Elementor program, but to give you whatever they are presenting on their own web page. If you want to check out the reviews of other affiliate programs that we have done earlier, here is a list of those that you can check out. And in any case, thanks for watching.